Okay, let's get started piping up some plumbing fixtures again. These two lavatories, this water closet, and these two urinals. Okay, so let's get started. So what I want to do is connect this lavatory with this lavatory and combine the two to connect into that 4-inch sanitary. I was going to call it a main, but it's not a main. It's a 4-inch sanitary pipe. So let's go look at our section view, and we can just kind of go down and make sure that it's not sloping. Okay, everything is not sloping, and there. Okay, so when I come around to get my other lavatory, I can align with this pipe. Once I come off my fixtures, right, you'll see, if you can see the hidden line or the dashed line. Okay. Now let's erase this, because that was low, and I'm gonna show you why when you're connecting two lavatories or two say these two urinals, and you don't want to make it too high, because if you make it high, then it won't be able to align. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, let's suppose that this guy is here, right? Put a P-trap. Oh, okay, let's do this again. So down, that's good. Here and here with a P-trap. Okay, and let's scoot that pipe up, and we're gonna, now that it's high, okay, or higher, you're gonna see that it's always good to bring them in low, because there's no way to align this with that pipe, with the pipe coming off the fixture, and align it with this pipe coming off the first lavatory. Okay, so that's why you want to, when you're doing that, you want to make sure your pipe is lower, so you can get a good connection or alignment. Okay, let's go here. Okay, and now we can go up higher. Let's put a P-trap in here, and P-trap. Okay, so we go up, and let's leave it at that. Okay, so now what we need to do is, let's look at the view, a section view looking west, and we go 90. Okay, and going west, we're gonna need to, I'm gonna go inside the wall. Let's go inside. Okay, so looking at that section, we're gonna go down through the floor, right? No slope, but now we're gonna slope the pipe to the 4-inch sanitary pipe at 1/4 inch. Slope down at 1/4 inch. Let's go to plan view here, and we're gonna go down at 135. So we are sloping 1/8. See, I forgot to put the slope in, so let's do this. Draw a pipe. Oh, and let's change this to a 2-inch. Okay, that is now a 2-inch pipe, and we're going to slope at a 1/4 inch per foot over to the 4-inch sanitary. Right? So we make the plan view active and come out at 135. So from here, I'm going to detail line. Just type D as a hotkey and scoot that over a little bit. Extend the pipe to close enough to the 8-inch, and let's get our elevation. So I'm going to rotate this view 45 degrees so that it is in line with my section. And here's the section. So what we're going to need to do is, okay, that's good. And let's eyeball this guy down. We have to bring it down. Okay, and let's eyeball it. So what I'm trying to do, maybe a little bit more. That looks good. Okay, so we go to plan view, and let's see how we're doing. Let's draw a pipe over to about right there. Okay, and that looks good. Looks good. Okay, let's rotate 45 degrees here at 45, and let's look at the other fixtures, the water closet and the 2 urinals. Let's see what's going on here. I think that I can okay, let's try this again. So we are here, and we want the 4-inch round. That defaults to 4 inches. Okay, no slope. And we go here, and let's slope down at 1/8. Okay, let's check 1/8. Okay, and there's probably gonna be a clean out back here. Okay, so I am drawing the pipe so that I can cap it, but it keeps giving me an error. No auto route solution was found, right? I wonder what that is. I know what it is. I'm just trying to. Any ideas what that could be? So what we do when we see something like this, and what the error is not doing, if I draw a pipe, right? It says no auto route solution was found. What does that mean? I don't know. But the problem is that the pipe is sloping and I'm going the opposite. So I need to change the slope to go up. The error, the error I think should say that the sloping pipe is opposite of what it should be or something. But this should be the solution, and then we cap it. So just have to be careful with stuff like that. Let's see. I'm gonna go over and let's pick up the urinal, section 11, somewhere in here. Okay. 2-inch. Slope is off. Sanitary. Okay. So come down, see, and look at our hidden line, our dash line. Okay. And we have a P-trap coming off the urinal. All right. Now let's pick up our second one. Okay. And the same thing. 2 clockwise. Slope. Okay, we're good. Okay, that looks good. Uh-oh. I think I did something wrong. Let's try it again. Maybe there's not enough room. I might be too high. Let's go up and then over. Well, baby, it ain't over till it's over. I like that. Okay, and a P-trap. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so now let's look at. Okay. Let's look at a section view. Again, west. Okay. Now we need to go down. Slope is off. Okay. So. Okay, let's look at something. Let's look at. I just want to show you guys. Something. Let's rotate 90 degrees. 90. Go over, and let's see if I can get this part. Let's look at that section. This is section 11. So we go to that section. And what we can do, right click on the cube, orient to view, section 11, right? And that should be it. Okay, so we can see this pipe. You see how it's coming out in the room? There's the floor, right? So you know that there's a problem if it's coming out like that. So what we can do is go back. Let's go back so that it disappears from the wall. Okay, and it goes down. So that looks good. And what we need to do is from here, Let's see how far down into the floor it is. Okay, let's rotate our view so that we're looking west. Okay, here. Okay, so we have enough. And we can slope down at 1/8, right? Like that. Okay. So okay. So what we have, we connected these two lavatories into this 4-inch pipe, and one water closet and 2 urinals connected to a pipe coming off of the floor mounted, wall mounted water closet. Okay, so there's other ways we can do this. I might show something. Say, for example, here we could have, let's erase this. Okay, and you can erase a fitting by clicking this minus, okay, without breaking the pipe, right? Because if you erase here, watch it be clean. Oh, okay. So, but you have to erase the pipe and leave the fitting so that you can look at the subtraction. So it subtracts that out. Okay, so we can 3D view. What we could have done was go straight into the 4-inch, right, from here, and go down at 1/4 inch. Yeah, here. Okay, could have done that. Now let's look at that section. Rotate here and 90. Come over there. Let's look at that. That's not too bad. And we can eyeball it. I like to get all of it. I guess we can make it a little closer. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going shift. That's not bad. Okay. So, and extend. Oh, what did I do? What happened? Extend. Okay. Let's try this. It's not going to give it to me. I'm going to bring that out. Oh, okay. Just a little closer. Let's see if... no, never mind. Okay, let's see. What I can do is do a detail line here. And now we can extend it. Okay. And delete. That looks good. So we come back. Detail line here. And trim that out. Delete. And drag. So you see the blue line. Okay. Now this one, I'm going to give it, the line is too short. What? Properties, let's see. Combination, yeah, we like that. Okay. Okay, so that looks like it's about done. Let's look at this. Orient to view, section 11, right? Okay. Now let's look at the perspective and bring these gates down. And let's bring this gate up so that we can see. That's the pipe. Okay, it's well below the floor, and that's okay. And all the pipe is in the wall space. Okay. Where's the fixtures? Okay, so these fixtures. Let's look at the link view and go to the architect, right? And usually it's on a casework. It's casework here. So we can see our fixtures. Okay. So there. Okay, so that looks good. And if we, let's just unload. Okay. That looks okay, so it's going through the floor. We're okay with that. Okay. Well, let's go back to the floor plan. Okay. Okay, so that's the 2 lavatories, 1 water closet, and the 2 urinals. Well, I hope that helped, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.